Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak English Naturally. I am Jessica. Today we have a very long and fun lesson. We are going to the supermarket with our friends. Let's start. Anna, hello Maria. Maria, hi Anna. Anna, what are you doing here? Maria, I am shopping. Anna, me too. Maria, I need food. Anna, yes, me too. In English, we use need for things we must have. Repeat, I need food. Pause. And when you agree, say me too. Repeat, me too. Pause. Very good. Maria, I need milk. Anna, I need milk too. Tom, hello Anna. Hello Maria. Anna, hi Tom. Tom, nice to see you. Anna, nice to see you too. Tom, what are you buying? Anna, I am buying milk and bread. Maria, I am buying fruit. Tom, I am buying chicken. Anna, do you cook today? Tom, yes, I cook dinner. Let's learn food words. Repeat after me. Milk. Pause. Bread. Pause. Fruit. Pause. Chicken. Pause. Excellent. What is your favorite food? John, hello everyone. Anna, hi John. John, what a surprise. Anna, yes. We are all here. John, I am buying water. Maria, only water? John, yes, only water. Maria, I am hungry now. Tom, me too. John, me too. Anna, let's buy food and eat together. Maria, yes. Good idea. Tom, yes, very good idea. John, I like that idea. To make a plan with friends, use let's. Repeat, let's buy food. Pause. Let's eat together. Pause. It is a very friendly way to speak. Anna, I want pasta. Maria, I want salad. Tom, I want chicken. John, I want rice. Anna, perfect. Maria, let's go pay. Tom, yes, let's go. More food words. Repeat, pasta. Pause. Salad. Pause. Rice. Pause. You are doing a great job. B1 learners know these well. John, this supermarket is big. Anna, yes, very big. Maria, many people are here. Tom, yes, it is busy. John, I like small supermarkets. Anna, me too. Let's practice adjectives. Repeat, big, pause, small, pause, busy, pause, quiet, pause. My studio is quiet, but the supermarket is busy. Maria, okay, I am ready. Tom, me too. John, me too. Anna, let's go to my house. Maria, yes. Tom, perfect. John, let's go. Anna, today is a good day. Maria, yes, very good day. Tom, I am happy. John, me too. Anna, see you at my house. Maria, yes. Tom, let's go. John, let's go. Let's review our supermarket words. Repeat, shopping. Pause. Food. Pause. Milk. Pause. Bread. Pause. Water. Pause. Busy. Pause. Ready. Pause. Amazing! Your homework. Write in the comments 3 things you need from the supermarket. For example, I need apples, eggs, and juice. I will check your lists. Thank you for joining this long A1 lesson. You are a great student. Keep practicing every day, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye.